Alright, welcome back. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get these flies out of my face. What we're going to do is, we're going to go ahead and take out the floor mats that came with the car and replace them with the floor liners. I might actually keep those depending on how these are, we'll see. But if my cameraman can just keep, or camera woman, my wife, can just keep the camera steady, that'd be
mosquitoes.
Great. I know, sorry, I'm doing the same thing. So let's go ahead and box these, and then we'll go ahead and take a look and see what there are. These are for all 3 rows, so the driver, passenger, the middle, the third, as well as the trunk and the front. If you want to check them out, I will go ahead and leave the link of the items in the description below so you guys can go check it out yourself. But let's get these out, see what they're like. I'm not sure. Those are, I think, 2 different pieces. That looks like it's the driver one. Alright, let's start with this. This one looks like it's the passenger side, so let's go ahead and go on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and put these in. So if you want to swing around, those are the normal factory floor mats. These are not all weather, they are a little dirty. For the time being, we're going to put these over them and see how well they do. Technically, I think you're supposed to remove the ones that come with it, but we're going to do it this way. And then when I can get to a car wash, we'll go ahead and vacuum those out and put them back here. So let's see. So these, the ones that are, of course, again, aftermarket, they have a bigger lip on the sides. So this is supposed to be obviously better for catching debris and things of that nature. So this one is standing up a little bit. We'll see if over time this starts to settle in a little bit more because we just took them out of the box, so that might be why. But this is the passenger one. Let's go ahead and go on the driver's side one. So if I can grab the camera real quick. So if you notice, these are all weather. So this actually covers the side here as well. Whereas the factory one, the cloth one, it only covers this side, but not this panel. So this gives it full coverage, and that way there's no way that part will actually get dirty. So that's what these look like. Great fit. Let's get on to the third row, or second row, I'm sorry. Alright, this might need, I'm going to have to take a look and see where all these go. I'm guessing that's for the third row. This one should be for the second row. And then this should be for the trunk and the front. Yep. So let's go ahead and get this in. With all these dividers, this might require a little bit more work to get in.
You need a hand?
I might. Let's see. Maybe not. Yeah, take a closer look at that while I get the other side. Follow the track well, cover all areas. Again, I love this 1/2 inch or so lip here. And one thing to point out, so these are the tracks that the seat actually moves on. So if you were to move the seat forward, this essentially would just flap open like that and then come back in place. So it has a little bit of a part here where it latches onto. So when you do move it forward, it'll just come up. So it does cover that pretty well, which is nice. Okay, third row. Oh, okay, if I can figure this out first. We do have the back seats folded. Why are the back seats folded? You want to show them?
No.
Okay. Go and take a look at the third row and the number of grooves with the seats. Are you camera shy?
Yes.
Why don't you want to speak?
Huh?
Why don't you want to speak?
Okay. So this morning we made a lot of donations to Goodwill, so we had to put the back seat down. And I was actually surprised by the amount of room we have back here once you put the seats down. So another plus.
Yes, a lot of stuff. Storage. Well, that's nice. Or is it just like that?
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, thank
you.
you. Oh, okay. You'll take care of it for us, huh?
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Alright, that's in. Let me get the trunk piece. That was one of our neighbors that lives on the street. So we've got one for the deeper trunk, one for the top, and I think that one's for the frunk. So let's take a look. So if you open this up, let's get the bottom piece in first. I'm going to guess, yes, this is the part for that. Was hiding in the trunk.
Our oldest daughter thought it'd be funny to hide in the trunk when we were picking up the car, and she thought we wouldn't notice.
So she hid in here.
So she hid in here, but she had cat hair all over her, and that's all over the car. I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so this is in. That's nice. Let's go ahead and cover this up and get, yeah, so if you want to put a body in here, it fits.
It'll fit, yes. Now we know.
Alright.
I don't think you should say that on camera.
I take no responsibility.
So I go missing one day. That's where they're gonna look.
Stop. Oh. That's terrible. I would never do such a thing. Alright, that's good. You want to leave the seats folded down?
Yes.
So one thing this I noticed is if the seats were up, if you were to open this, I mean you have your flap kind of hanging out here, it would have been nice if they kind of made a space here for this to pop up.
You want to see how it is with the seats up?
I'll leave the headrest down. Okay, so it's fine like this, but again, this part's kind of hidden, so it would have been nice if they made space there. But overall, looks good. Let's go ahead and do the frunk. I'm gonna close the trunk and open the frunk. Alright, so we just ran into a bit of an issue. For some reason, the frunk is not opening from the touchscreen. So I restarted the computer and it's still not doing it. I did it from the app and it unlocked. So not sure what's happening there, but we'll have to get that checked out. So let's go ahead and open up the frunk. We didn't check what this stuff was. You want to see what this is?
Is it a cooler?
I don't know. Can't be the charger, can it?
In the lunchbox.
What is this? It's heavy. Is it a jack? Driving position. Oh, this is for the trailer. To put this on, because you have a hitch in the back, so you need to put this on to haul something, basically. I didn't know that's how it came. Alright, sorry, got distracted. Let's get the license plate frames out, and they do have the front end one and the charge port. Let's see what it looks like now. As you guys can see, we have not even opened this yet to see.
A little bit.
Yeah, that looks good. Put this stuff back in, just like that, and what is this? That's it. So as far as durability goes, testing this, of course, I'll provide an update on Twitter. So if you're not following me, make sure you follow me on Twitter. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Why are you laughing?